ushago kidogo. Hiyo ndio Kanairo, karibuni Kanairo. Your Excellency, amongst this, we also have part of the Green Army. Sijui kama kuna vijana wa Green Army wako hapa. Green Army hoye! Mko wapi? Wacha nione kwa mikono. Green Army. Your Excellency, you remember, as promised, we said we will employ our young people to help us clean the city. We have already hired 2,500 youth who for now are helping us with El Nino preparedness and mitigation. And we said, because they're clearing drainages, they are clogging areas that were hard to reach, they're also educating wananchi on what they need to do. The reason we've brought them together with the community health promoters is we need them to realize, and we've told them, that they are one family. The work that they're doing is similar, sorting out our communities at the grassroots level. Asanteni sana, najua kazi tumeanza kuona tayari, Nairobi itakuwa safi. Before we hired them, Your Excellency, the last time environmental officers were hired in Nairobi was the year I was born. Meaning, many of them are now aging, and they're very few. But now with the 2,500 and the 1,000 who are coming, this city will come back to being the green city under the sun that it used to be. Asanteni sana. Finally, Your Excellency, before I now invite the next group of speakers, as I call them one by one, ningependa community health promoters tusimame ili tutoe ahadi yetu. Leo nimevaa hii reflector kwa sababu mimi ndio community health promoter number 1 wa Nairobi, CHP1. Na rais wetu amevaa yake kwa sababu yeye ndio CHP1 Kenya mzima. And Your Excellency, as governors, we are grateful for your partnership. We acknowledge devolution is not a competition. Devolution is a partnership between both levels of government. The national government is important, the county governments are important. A bird that is flying cannot ask which wing is important for it to fly, the left wing or the right wing. It needs both wings. And that is why we will continue working with the national government to deliver to the people of Kenya unapologetically. Sasa watu wangu, ile nitasema mtajibu. Sawa sawa? Kwanza weka mkono moja juu. Ya right. No, ya left. Ingine weke kwa roho. Put it here. Because itamko ni muhimu sana. Sema tunaahidi kutumikia jamii zetu kwa huruma na kujitolea. Dhamira yetu ni kuelimisha, kuwawezesha na kusaidia wanajamii wetu ili kukuza afya, kuzuia magonjwa na kujenga uhusiano na huduma za afya. Tunakumbatia jitihada hii adhimu kwa mioyo mikunjufu na mikono iliyo tayari kuhudumia. Afya yetu, jukumu letu ndio. Lazima iwak. Asante. Mwisho.